Most people think you need money to start. Well, I started 8 years ago with nothing, and here we are. Let me just say, this isn't just purely motivational. This is a playbook. You ready?
Let's go buy your birthday cake supplies.
Most people go to Walmart for their party supplies.
We're at the co-op.
So I've been in business now for about 8 years. Started off as photography and then it's evolved into videography and content creation. And I'm a brand new dad of about, well, almost exactly 2 years now on Christmas Day. It's funny because in the beginning, I started the business because I didn't want to join the rat race. And it was just for me, really. But it's now evolved into for my family because we are now able to spend life together and actually live life. So I value that time freedom over the hustle culture that you typically see with entrepreneurs. I built a business around my family, not away from it. And so this is just practical advice. That store was stressful.
That one? Yeah, it's like not a good place for a toddler. And everything's like $1 million, so it's like if he does break...
Mom.
Yeah.
How'd I get here? Look at this hair. Oh my gosh, look at it.
You wanna go to the next store? See a ball?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you want that?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh.
what is that?
Ball.
A ball?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you ready for the next store?
No.
All right, let's go to the next store. I'll tell you this, most people fail before they even start. I've said this before, but you just gotta stop waiting for permission.
Yeah.
Stop waiting for permission, but stop waiting for that perfect idea. Just focus on skills that pay, not your passion, right? Like a lot of people say that if, you work a job that you love, if you're passionate about it, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's just not true, at least in my case. As soon as you have to make money doing something, it very quickly becomes a job. I was very passionate about photography. I loved it. I love shooting videos, and I used to do it just for fun, me and Ashley, when we were dating early on. But now I don't even want to bring a camera on vacation anymore. And it's hard to even get photos out of me, right?
Yes, yeah, you think like, wow, you're married to a photographer, you should have like all these family photos. Nope.
So don't focus so much on what you love and what you're passionate about. What I'm passionate about is my time and my family. And so whatever I can do to give me more time in that area and less time from the work aspect of life, what I have to do to create money, the better.
Our friends, Megan and Jason, they just started a trailer company. I don't think that's his passion, trailers. And that's like a nice passive income.
Just ask yourself this, what's something that I can learn fast and someone's gonna pay me for it?
Whoa. That's actually really interesting. Don't do what you love. Just do something. Because what does it matter what you're doing to make money if the goal is to spend time with your family? I never thought about it like that. That's pretty smart. How'd you think of that?
See these gray hairs?
That's how you get those whenever you have a bright idea?
Yep.
Wow, you are really smart.
Burger?
Ready for a burger?
Yes. There.
You got something in there?
Yes.
You getting it?
Yes.
Look, tomorrow is your birthday party! Show me your excited face.
I really usually never go to Walmart, but for some reason I feel like the past few videos I've been going to Walmart.
Yes. So funny.
Not sure if this is gonna work, but let's try it.
Let's put the blanket down first.
You sit next to each other? Yay! You like it?
He's a big boy now. Daddy's just gonna run in. So Waylon said, Waylon run, Waylon run. There they go.
What is it about Aaron's that is so exhausting?
I don't know. And you go so fast. I don't know how long it would have
Trying to
taken
get it
me.
done.
It's just constantly going so fast. I can barely breathe. So should I do nap time or no?
I'm gonna do nap time.
Like almost 3 o'clock. I'm thinking we just do like a 5:30 bedtime.
Yeah, I guess we just see what happens.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a nap?
No.
Okay.
All right.
What about you?
You can take a nap.
So just learn one high income skill, whatever that is. Video editing, for example. And for me, that was something I had to learn. I started off as photography and realized photography wasn't as lucrative. Figured out videography was a lot more lucrative and video editing was a lot more lucrative. So I learned it and I stuck with it. Whatever it is, just learn that skill.
In this video.
And okay. And that skill is going to be way more valuable than any degree could ever give you. You see yourself? You see yourself?
Yay! Cupcake.
Play.
Making cupcakes?
High five.
Share.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay!
We are getting ready to take a couple road trips to go see family. I like to have a nice clean truck on road trips. Oh, by the way, I got some new tires.
Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see
I
nobody.
was getting a slow leak. Well, a slow leak that turned into a fast leak. We had to lift up the front end just to fit these guys in. But now she looks a little more like a truck now. Here's a big one that I would have done early on from scratch. Build up your clients before you even create a logo or a business name or whatever. Just reach directly out to the people who already have the money. For example, like I would just message or DM 50 businesses saying, hey, I've got this skill, how can I be of service? And like, just as simple as that. You'll find oftentimes people would say, yeah, sure, come on by. Just get started, get in the door.
Almost underground and so deep in the valley, I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got.
And just in time, dinner is ready.
Dirt I got, trail of broken hearts behind me from the hurt I bought. Sometimes I really start to wonder if I deserve my spot. Cause I'm just the man who's got
Pizza, 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 pizza. Dear God, thank you for this
This
pizza.
Juba.
You wanna watch a movie?
Yes. Wow.
Wow.
Friday night we like to do pizza or some kind of fun food and a movie. Another thing I would do is just reinvest. Don't worry about upgrading your lifestyle. Invest in gear, keep minimal expenses, and just invest into better tools, education. I'd rather buy my time back than buy stuff.
That was a good point.
How's there paint on baby's face?
He's painting with me. I have no idea how it got there. He was sleeping when I got there.
Something else to keep in mind, build the life while you build the business. And what I mean by that is like you need to have boundaries and you need to set aside time to be with family. Don't just run into burnout. This is a long-term goal. And if you want the time freedom that comes with being an entrepreneur, you need to work on that from the start. And so the goal isn't, this could dry a little bit longer. So the goal is not to just escape your job and put yourself in another box. So just make sure you're building the life that you want. So if you're starting with nothing, you're not behind. Honestly, you're free. It's a great place to be right now. Just go after it. Remember, you don't need permission and you don't need money. Just make it happen. Are you liking the movie?
Yes.
Yeah. And I hope that you walk away with some action steps. And this is exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch. Guys, subscribe if you're not. We're going to keep making videos like these. Like the video and hop in the comments. Tell me what you're planning on starting this year. And if any of you guys are interested, I do consulting for anybody in the content creation space. So, or if you need some business advice or anything like that, just let me know. I'll leave my email in the description.